There's no one around. I'm the only one out here right now. There's a security checkpoint. I'm just afraid of everything, aren't I? They just need to make sure you don't have any explosives. They've blocked it off. And look how steep that is. This is the bane of my existence. But I'm definitely like overcoming a weird fear. One of the most uncomfortable things I've ever done. What's the worst that can happen? Don't say that. Found the amphitheater. Cool. What's that doing in there? Oh no! There we go. There's a cork down here. That's interesting. Morning.
Morning.
Tyson? No. Huh? Good morning. Hello. Hi, Tyson. Are you ready for an adventure today? We can't nap all day, you know. It's time for a walkie walks. How about a stroll on the beach? Maybe climb some rocks? Or do you just want to stay in bed all day? A potato day it is. Oh, crap. There we go. Good morning, friends, from the Boulder Beach campground here at Lake Mead. In my last video, I camped here and did some exploring in the area, so if you haven't seen that video, make sure you go check it out. I thought I would go down to the actual beach part just to take a look around. Unfortunately, dogs are not allowed on that beach, so Tyson back there, as you can see, is just gonna have to hang out in the car for a few minutes while I walk around. But yeah, let's go check out and see what the beach is like. Oh, these are nice spots too. These are some pull-through sites for bigger rigs. Huh. Nice. Ooh. So the pavement ends all the way over there, and then it's kind of just like a washboardy section here. I don't even know if I'm allowed to drive all the way down here, but no one's around, so I did anyway. But don't worry, I won't be here long. Okay, I'm assuming that I can't like drive down this way, which is fine. I'm not going to do that. I'll turn right around. I've been here before. This used to be the boat ramp. Like you could drive your boat all the way down and then obviously take your boat into the water there. But looks like they've blocked it off. Mind you, I haven't been here in like a year, so very different now. Look at all these ducks. Okay, I looked around. Yeah, there's started to be a bunch of bugs. I don't know if it's mosquitoes or gnats or whatever, but they were flying around my head, so I didn't want to stay too long. Plus Tyson's in the car freaking out on me, I'm sure. There's no one around. I'm the only one out here right now. But it's also still, well, I think it's like noon right now. Oh, snacks, I almost just tripped and fell. Let's go to the Hoover Dam. Ooh. Whoa. Okay, so on my way to the Hoover Dam, I pulled off at this area where you can get a lake view overview. How gorgeous is this? Look, that right there used to be the old railroad tunnel. There's a historic railroad tunnel hiking trail that I could have taken, and I assume it would have taken us that way. What a view, and look how steep that is. This whole section that we see before us is called the Boulder Basin, which is the westernmost end of Lake Mead. I just got to one of the free parking areas. There's a security checkpoint right before you enter the Hoover Dam area. They just need to make sure you don't have any explosives or firearms or whatever, which makes a lot of sense. And when they saw me, all they wanted to look at was what's inside my roof box. So they had me step out and open the roof box, and they took a quick peek in, saw that all I had up there was camp gear, and they let me through. Easy peasy. So I've made it to the bridge. I think this is like the Memorial Bridge overlook. We're gonna walk around. I do see that dogs are allowed to walk around, so I can take Tyson around. Okay, change of plans. There's a sign here that says no pets are allowed on the trail or the bridge walkway. Although I did see somebody take their dog up there, so I'm a little confused. But anyway, I left Tyson in the car. Don't worry, it's a very cool day. You know, he's got everything he needs. And I'm gonna go up, look at this bridge, come back down pretty soon. The only issue is this is the bane of my existence. All of these stairs. Don't worry, if you have a wheelchair, they do have a ramp that you can go all the way up there, so it's ADA friendly as well. But I'm doing the stairs portion because, you know, exercise. funny story about me. I have a weird fear of bridges.
I'm not sure I understand.
What? Siri, shut up. Passed a few people who looked at me like, it's fine, it's super sturdy. Except when a semi drives past, then it gets a little bit like, whoa. On the plus side, it's not like overly windy today, but I'm definitely like overcoming a weird fear. Ah, okay. And everyone's like, just don't look down. Of course I'm gonna look down when I get to a certain point. Actually, it's not even that bad. I thought it would be shakier. Maybe. We're just walking, doing the best I can. What's the worst that can happen? Don't say that. Oh, it's pretty. Don't drop my phone. Like, that is cool, but the bridge is shaking. My best friend Bunny told me to come here. Oh, okay. You know, when she was telling me about it, I was like, yeah, this sounds really cool. I'll totally do this. I wasn't thinking logically. Oh, wow, the shakiness. I'm just afraid of everything, aren't I? Okay, here we go. I really didn't expect that I would spaz out as much as I did. It's not that I have like a fear of heights, which actually I do, but that was one of the most uncomfortable things I've ever done. So that is the Pat Tillman Bridge that I was climbing earlier. I probably only got up to like really like right here before I started panicking and went back. Looks neato burrito. Now somewhere on that bridge back there is the border between Arizona and Nevada. 2 different time zones. So it's a little confusing on what time it actually is right now. Did you know that the Hoover Dam was originally called the Boulder Dam? It was actually renamed in 1947. And as soon as this dam was built, it blocked the Colorado River, which turned the waters southward here into Black Canyon. All of these backed up waters then formed a 110-mile-long series of basins and coves, which are now all collectively known as Lake Mead. It was then in 1964 that Congress established this entire area known as the Lake Mead National Recreation Area, and at that time, this was the first nationally designated recreation area in the country. Today, Lake Mead irrigates more than 1 million acres in the United States and Mexico, so the water reaches kitchens even in Tucson, Los Angeles, even the farms of the Imperial and Mexicali valleys. That's fascinating.
209 metal discs. Each disc is scaled to the exact diameter magnitude.
Look, we're Geminis. This is so cool. I can't believe it took me this long to actually come out here and finally explore this place. This view is amazing. I bet it would look really good during sunrise because I've seen pictures of the bridge, especially during sunrise, with all like the beautiful golden hues everywhere. One of these days, maybe I should come check it out if only I was a morning person. Hi, Tyson. Hello. Hello, buddy. Okay. Can we just... That was so much fun. This was always such a great adventure. So even though I'm sad that I wasn't able to go to Arizona to meet up with the rest of my friends, it's okay because I can still do all these little adventures right around base camp. And it was so much fun to camp over at Lake Mead. Tyson, where are you going? Also finally explored the bridge and the Hoover Dam. So all in all, a good adventure for the day. Make sure you stay tuned until next week to see what other adventures I get up to. I'll be going on a short little trip again next week, so stay tuned for that. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video and this adventure. Thank you so much for sticking it out with me, and I will see you next time. Bye!
Hello?
Come here, come here, come here, come here, come here. What is that? Oh, snacks. Oh, snacks. Oh, snacks. Oh, snacks. Ow. I don't know if you guys can see me. Tyson, you are stuck. Nationally designated rescue. Ta-da. Oh, sorry. You're on top
Here's
of the
some info about
What the? Stop it.